Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, you guys might have noticed that the entire crypto market has been extremely volatile, and especially Bitcoin being able to break above 97,000, while right now it's fallen short again. It's in the death cross between 96 and 97, but breaking above has definitely returned a lot of optimism, and the sentiment has turned into green. I mean, you can see that the greed is starting to increase, and therefore the leading charts again is meme coins. You can see that Doge has actually done some crazy numbers. It's breaking just close to 35 cents. If it's able to cross 36, well, the whole entire meme coins market are going to be going explosive. And one meme coin that everyone is paying very close attention to is Pepe. And if you are doing the same, you should look at this one, which is called Wall Street Pepe. If you haven't heard anything about it, well, let me just show you. There is a lot of different news articles which are covering it. Bitcoin.com, crypto.news, crypto potato, and you guys know that this token definitely has a big backhand. One thing that is important for you to understand is the amount of money that they have already raised. Last time I made a video on it, it was pretty much like half of this, and right now they have already raised about 40 million. It's still in a pre-sale stage. Let me tell you one thing. By the time it's even launched, I feel like there's still going to be 2 to 3x and ensuring that you will be making profit. What is Wall Street Pepe? Trade like Pepe, buy Wepe. Crypto pre-sale. Wall Street Pepe hates the whales that are hiding in insider groups, so he decides to make his own. Join Wepe token army and frogs stay strong together. If you do decide to join the army, well, there's one thing you need to do, which is actually buy the token. First of all, if you actually want to purchase the token, you can go to the link in the description. It will take you to this website. You can just decide to buy with card or crypto. If you decide crypto, just select the wallet that you will be using. So let's say MetaMask. Once it's connected, you guys will be able to select how much tokens you would like to allocate or how much USDT you would like to allocate to Wepe. Another thing which is interesting is if you do decide to purchase it right now, you can actually stake it away in the time the token is actually going to be released to the public for a return of 32% per annum. Initially, it was much higher, close to 100%, but as more and more people are going to buy, obviously the estimated reward is slowly starting to come down. And let me tell you one thing, right now, it's still heating up for something big, catching the whales. The rich frog marched together, Frog Street takeover, and then Fastlane to fortune. Right now, the token supply is sitting close to 200 billion. And if you want to see the full tokenomics, well, you can just read over here and you guys will be able to find all of the white paper. Another thing that's interesting is if you guys want to see any questions, you can actually contact them at all times. Their Twitter has a pretty decent amount of following, as nearly 30,000 followers, and you can see that the initial post when it was made, 270,000 views, so they definitely have a good reach. Also, no problem with their actual audit. Now you can see everything is perfect, there is no problems with it, and you wouldn't actually run into problems if you do decide to invest in it. The Telegram has about 13,000 subscribers, which is already a very large group of people which are paying very close attention to this token. And let me tell you one thing, the team that's actually on the back end of this project definitely knows what they're doing. They have done many projects in the past, and they're going to be doing the same thing in the future. One thing that I need to mention is this is not financial advice. You guys need to do your own research before you decide to buy into it, because at the end of the day, these are still meme coins and you need to make your own decision. I'm just telling you my opinion, as I personally feel like right now the price it's sitting at, which is 0.0036, is definitely a very good price to buy into this token before it goes public, and then obviously everyone is going to scoop up. And you guys know the price that Pepe reached was about 8.6 billion. That market cap is huge. If this even reaches a third of that, you guys know the money you can make is kind of impressive. So get into it. If you do want to purchase, as I mentioned, link will be in the description. Simply buy with crypto and you guys should have no problem. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make the most use of this before it's too late. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.